Are you tired of juggling messy spreadsheets and dealing with endless data chaos when importing leads? If so, you're in the right place. In just a few simple steps, I'm going to show you how to simplify your lead importing process in GoHighLevel and get organized fast. Let's dive in. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account. On the left-hand side, head over to the Contacts section, then click Import Contacts. This is where all the magic begins. Next up, upload your lead file. Make sure it's in CSV format for a smooth import. You can either drag and drop the file, or simply click Upload and select it from your computer. It's that easy. Now, this is an important step, mapping your fields. GoHighLevel will ask you to match the columns in your file to the corresponding fields, like first name, email, and more. Double-check to make sure everything lines up perfectly, then click Next. Before you finish, you have the option to get even more organized by adding tags or triggering a workflow for these leads. Want to simplify your workflow and keep your lead management organized? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial. And don't forget to book your kickoff call to get started smoothly. All the links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more GoHighLevel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!